My name is Hannah, and I am a teacher on Cambly Kids. And today you will be learning about opposites. Opposites. Do you know what opposites are? Opposites are two different things. They are two pairs of things that are completely different from each other. Let's do some examples. The day and the night are opposites. The day, you can see the sun and it is bright and you can play. And at the night, it is dark and you can see the moon and the stars and you can sleep. The day and the night are opposites. Let's do another example. Hot and cold. Hot, whew, and cold, whew, are opposites and teach us about different temperatures. Let's do some more examples of opposites. Big and small. Opposites. Happy, sad. Opposites. Loud and quiet are opposites. Opposites are very, very important because we live in a world in which everything is different. It wouldn't be fun if everything and everyone was the same. Opposites even help make stories more fun. For example, once upon a time, there lived a penguin who lived in a cold place. Whew, cold. And there lived a camel who lived in a hot place. Opposites make stories more exciting. Now let's see what we've learned today. Question 1. What is opposite of big? Is it red? Red? Small? Small? Or right? Right. It is small. Small. Good job. Now let's do another example. Question 2. What is the opposite of up? Up. Is it down? down? Is it purple? Purple? Or is it food? Food. Good job. It is down. Down. Very good job. For those who don't know, Cambly Kids gives you access to native English speakers like myself to help you learn English. Ask your parents today to see if you can sign up for classes today. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you later.